Okay, we're mixing orange today. Hi, I'm Jeannie Conant Kramer. Before we get started, I just want you to know that this goes for any medium, whether it's oils or pastels even, or acrylics, watercolor, or anything like that. So let's go down to the palette. Okay, so I've got my red, yellow, I've got a little bit of white, because even though in the studio I see it fine with my eyes, but on camera it doesn't quite work. It looks a little darker on camera. So here we go, mixing some red, mixing some yellow, getting our orange made here. I'm going to go a little bit more. Here we are. Get some of that off the brush. And then if you add a little white, you can start getting into that peach sort of range with your color. Okay. So the more yellow you add, of course, the more orangey it'll get. It'll actually go towards yellow orange the more yellow you add. Okay. And there we are. Red plus yellow is orange. Okay, see you in the next video.